Hi everyone and welcome back to maxthemagic, where we share tips, tricks and reviews for all things Disney. If you're new to the channel, a big warm welcome. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you're enjoying our videos, and do comment below as we love reading your comments. If you're looking for daily Disney updates, be sure to check us out on social media, the links are in the description below. In this episode, we're going to be sharing our top 5 tips and tricks when visiting Disney, and be sure to stick around to the end for a bonus tip. At number 5, if you're going to be renting a stroller, we recommend the double strollers. They do cost more, but if you're visiting and just need a stroller for one child, it will give you a convenient place to put your bags instead of carrying them throughout the park.
At number 4, with masks being a part of the world we live in now, be sure to bring extras with you. It's easy to drop a mask or just need a fresh one from walking around the park all day in the heat.
Coming in at number 3, we recommend bringing fans like these with you. They are comfortable, offer 3 speed settings, last all day if you're careful with how you use them, and most importantly, make visiting Disney in the Florida heat and humidity comfortable. If you'd like to check out the fans we use, be sure to visit the affiliate link in the description below.
At number 2, people have come up to us and tell us how their videos look jumpy and are often embarrassed to share with friends and family. Take your memories to the next level by adding a gimbal to your photo bag. With smartphones having great cameras built in, try using a smartphone gimbal for your videos. Many of our shots include this. There is also an affiliate link in the description to the gimbal we use. We love this product and its easy to use functions.
Finally, at number 1, staying hydrated in the Florida heat is important, but can get expensive with bottled water starting at $3.50 a bottle. Disney do offer complimentary iced water at locations that offer fountain drinks. Take advantage of this, and it's easy to save quite a lot of money when visiting. This bonus tip is a big one. Often, guests may want to travel from one resort to another, but need to go to a hub to change buses such as Disney Springs. After the parks have closed, bus drivers usually have much more flexibility, and if you're the only person on the bus and they know where you are going, will take you directly to the other resort if it's on the way. We recently went from Coronado Springs to Disney Springs just to change and go to Art of Animation. The driver asked us where we were going and took us straight to Art of Animation. So if it's late, be friendly and ask if you need to go to a hub to change, and you will likely be taken directly to your destination. We hope you enjoyed our top 5 tips when visiting Walt Disney World.
Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful, and we would love to hear your must-do tips when visiting, so be sure to comment below.
If you're looking to get information on which resort would work best for you and your family, be sure to check out our resort tour playlist on the screen right now. Until next time.
All right, we'll see you real soon.